Tradition meets modernity. Classic craftsmanship on a razor-sharp piece of artwork. Just like the Hotel Frankfurter Hof, the Ferrari 488 Spider combines the past with the future. The brand has its origin on the racetrack, and for this reason, it's still a requirement today that even a modern hardtop convertible like the 488 must function on the racetrack. Traditionally, a Ferrari operates with a noise-inducing natural aspiration engine. But those days are over, because the future belongs to the turbo engine. To build a V8 turbo engine into a Ferrari Spider is a bold step towards the future. Not only are ever stricter emission laws responsible for Ferrari taking this step, the excellent performance of other supersports cars with turbocharging is also the reason. Tradition is beautiful and good, but whoever wants to be the best must go with the times. Ferrari has this entitlement, and the 488 Spider embodies exactly that. It is an aerodynamic masterpiece. Every detail is designed to generate an ideal ratio of low air resistance and the highest possible contact pressure. The front is dominated by the so-called aero pillar. A double spoiler inspired by Formula One generates downforce. The high-performance ceramic brakes are hidden behind filigree 20-inch wheels. At the rear, a diffuser with curved guide plates which optimize the flow of the air volume through the underfloor. At top speed, this ingenious design line results in an output of up to 200 kilograms. The driver is happy because he benefits from brilliant driving behavior without an unsightly wing at the rear. The datasheets read like a poem. The base price of almost 230,000 euros is probably the only reason why you rarely get a chance to see a 488 Spider face to face. If it is important, it can get wild. .670 horsepower and rear-wheel drive are an exciting combination, but with a feeling for the accelerator easy enough to handle. The 488 has amazing grip. Thanks to the electronically controlled rear axle differential, the driver only very rarely sees the traction control light up when the road is dry. Astonishing, because 760 Newton-meters of torque result in a proper portion of smoke with other vehicles. Here, Ferrari has found the ideal ratio between traction and propulsion, and this makes the 488 extremely fast. LED lights on the steering wheel inform about the ideal changing time. A pull on the rocker and the answer follows in milliseconds. Although purists turn their noses up at the 3.9-liter V8 turbo engine, it provides an unprecedented punch. The biggest drawback is only the sound, because turbochargers always act like a kind of muffler. A matter of taste. So listen and judge for yourself. With a base weight of 1,650 kilograms, the Spider weighs a full 100 kilos more than the coupe. That's a lot of wood. When cruising casually with almost 700 horsepower on country roads, this additional weight is hardly noticed. Inside, carbon as far as the eye can see. One shouldn't let go of the steering wheel inspired by Formula One because all functions relevant to driving are integrated into it. And this takes a bit of getting used to in the beginning, but works automatically in the shortest time. The standard sports seats are not only functional but also look incredibly good. The Ferrari 488 Spider has a foldable hardtop. Closed, it looks very similar to the coupe, and the comfort of the interior increases as well. The side air intakes supply the coolers with fresh air and are reminiscent of the 308 GTB. Behind it lies the 3.9-liter V8 engine. Even if it looks good in the closed state, a Ferrari Spider only really looks special with the top down. Amazing how pleasantly quiet it can move when idling, although it was made for high speeds. Very successful lines, excellent performance, and easy to handle. The Ferrari 488 Spider is an ingenious sports car for fresh air enthusiasts.
Actually, a Ferrari doesn't have competition. If it were not for the raging, snorting bull in its neck, which seems to be becoming more and more powerful.